Hello and welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to understand how to send property listing automatically for Facebook lead ads leads via email. So I'm running a real estate business and I receive a lot of leads through my Facebook lead ads. So my objective is as soon as I'm going to receive a new lead through my Facebook lead ad, then automatically and instantly I want to send a property listing mail to my lead via Gmail. So now here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my Facebook lead ads with my Gmail account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So now here to see the working of this automation and to learn this process step by step, let me take you all to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So here on my screen you can see my Facebook page that I have with the name Prime Properties, and here I'm running some Facebook lead ads to generate new leads for my business. So as you all know that my objective is as soon as I'm going to receive a new lead through my Facebook lead ad, then automatically and instantly I want to send my property listing email to my lead via Gmail. So now here, before talking about the entire process step by step, let me show you that how actually this automation works. So for that we're going to generate a test lead in our Facebook lead ad by using a tool that is Lead Ads Testing Tool by Meta. So this is Lead Ads Testing Tool by Meta, and here I've already selected my page, form and the product. So this is my lead form, and here I've already pre-filled some details such as type of property. Here you can see the first name, last name, email address, phone number, street address, city, state and the zip code. So now I'm going to click on this continue and then submit. And here you can see we have successfully generated a test lead in our Facebook lead ad. So now let's go and check our lead's email address to check whether our lead has received a new mail or not. And here you can see a mail that our lead has received with the subject as "Thank you for your interest, sender name as Prime Property." And here you can see a personalized email with all the property listing. Alright, so with this we have successfully seen the working of this amazing automation. And now here in this video we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this automation by simply connecting your Facebook lead ads with your Gmail account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to access the Pabbly Connect, you need to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. So this is the homepage of Pabbly Connect, but here before moving forward, let me all tell you about the Pabbly community. So this is the Pabbly community where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. You can ask questions, share workflows and get instant replies and helpful feedback from others who have faced these similar challenges. It is an active and supportive space to learn and grow together. And you can find the link to join the Pabbly community in the description box below. Make sure to check it out and join the Pabbly community as soon as possible. Alright, let's move back to our Pabbly Connect's homepage, and here you can see two options. One is sign in and the another one is sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I will be clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my different applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect by clicking on this access now. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. And then it is asking me to select the workflow builder. So here you can see two options. One is new beta and the another one is classic. So beta version is modern, faster and more flexible, whereas classic one is stable and the familiar approach. So in this video, we are going to use this beta version by clicking on the select button, and then a create workflow dialog box appeared in front of us. So I'm going to give a name to my workflow that says send property listing automatically for Facebook lead ads leads via email. And now here after giving a name to my workflow, it is asking me to select the folder. So in the left side corner of this dashboard, you can see a folder section under which you can see the multiple folders that I've already created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So in this particular case, I'm going to select my folder as Facebook lead ads. You can select it as per your requirement. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you need to click on this learn my hyperlink given over here, and it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, let's move back to our Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this, that means action is a response towards that trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So we're going to click on this add trigger button, and here as you all know that I'm running Facebook lead ads for my business. So I'm going to select my trigger as Facebook lead ads and my app event as new lead instant. Then we are going to click on this connect, and here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection. If your Facebook lead ads account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Facebook lead ads. Here I'm going to select my desired account. Then I'm going to click on this continue. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So here it easily got connected because here I was already logged in my Facebook account. So to build an easy connection, make sure you're already logged in your Facebook account in the same browser, or else if you're building a new connection, then it is going to ask for your account credentials first. And once you're going to add the credentials, then automatically your account will get connected inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, let's move forward, and then here is asking me to add the page name and the lead gen form. So I've already shown you that I have my page with the name Prime Properties. So I'm going to select that particular page over here. And then here for the lead gen form, let me take you to Meta Business Suite. So here in Meta Business Suite under lead ads form, you can see the form that I've already created with the name lead form new. So here I'm going to use this particular form. You can create your own lead ad form as per your requirement. Alright, so here I'm going to select my lead gen form as lead form new. So I've selected a single form because I want only the leads of this form should be captured by Pabbly Connect. But if you want the leads of all the forms should be captured by Pabbly Connect, then you can select all lead gen forms. And now here after selecting the page on the lead gen form, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. But here before clicking on the save and send test request, I'm going to turn on the simple response button in order to receive the response in a simple format. But here if you wish to receive the response in an advanced format, that means in an array format, then you can simply turn it off, and then you're going to receive the response in an advanced format. For now I'm going to turn it on, and then I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response, that means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to generate a test lead in our Facebook lead ad. So now again here to generate a test lead in our Facebook lead ad, we are going to use lead ads testing tool by Meta. So this is lead ads testing tool by Meta, and here I need to delete my previous lead in order to create a new one. Because it says you can create one lead per form, you will need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. So now here to delete my previous lead, I'm going to click on this delete lead button given over here, and it says your lead has been deleted. So now I'm going to refresh the window, and that's a necessary step. So now after refreshing the window, once again I'm going to select my page as Prime Properties and my product as lead retrieval because I'm going to generate a test lead, and my form as lead form new. And now here I'm going to click on this preview form. So this is my lead form, and now here I'm going to enter some dummy details and make a test submission. So for the type of property, I'm going to select residential property. Here for the first name, I'm going to add the name as test, last name as user, email as test@pabblytunes.com. Here for the phone number, I'm going to add a random phone number. And here for the street address, I'm going to add the random address, city as Bhopal, state as Madhya Pradesh. And here for the zip code, I'm going to select the country as India first, and then I'm going to add a random zip code. And now after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on this continue and then submit. And here you can see we have successfully generated a test lead in our Facebook lead ad. So let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have received an instant response over here where we have received the type of property, first name, last name, email address, phone number, street address, city, state, and the zip code of our lead with some other details as well. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here. So once we have received a new lead through our Facebook lead ad, then automatically and instantly I want to send an email to my lead with all the property listing. So for that, I'm going to add an action step over here, and here I'm going to select my action application as Gmail and my app event as send email. Then we are going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection. If your Gmail account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on the sign in with Google. Here I'm going to select my desired account, and then I'm going to click on this allow and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So let's move forward, and here for the sender name I'm going to add my company name, that is Prime Properties. And then here you can see the sender email address has automatically been selected, so I'm not going to change it. And here it is asking me to add the recipient email address. So here I need to enter the email address to whom I want to send this mail. So now here, instead of entering the email address manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I've received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes our text dynamic so that when we're going to receive a new lead through our Facebook lead ad, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So for the email address, I'm going to map the email address, and then here the CC, BCC reply to are not required fields, so I'm going to leave them blank. And here for the email subject, I'm going to add the email subject as "Thank you for your interest." And then he's asking me to add the email content. So it says enter the email content. You can create HTML content from here. Here's a complete tutorial on how to create HTML email here. So by clicking on this hyperlink available over here, you can see step by step that how you can create an HTML format email to send an HTML format email to your leads. So here I've already generated a HTML mail, so I'm going to add it over here. So this is the mail body, and here you can see in the place of name, I'm going to map my lead's name over here. So let me map the lead's first name. And with this, we have successfully completed our entire mail over here. So then here is asking me to select the email content type. So I'm going to select it as HTML because I've added my email content in HTML format. And then here this labels, file names and other fields are not required fields. So I'm going to leave all of them blank. And now after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully sent a new mail on our lead's Gmail address. So let's go and check it. And here you can see the mail that our lead has received with the email subject as "Thank you for your interest," sender name as Prime Properties, and a personalized mail with the name Hi Test, and this is the entire mail body. Alright, so with this we have successfully set up this entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have selected a trigger as Facebook lead ads and an action as Gmail, so that when we're going to receive a new lead through our Facebook lead ad, then automatically and instantly a mail will be sent with all the property listing to our leads via Gmail. Alright, so these were the steps to how to send property listing automatically for Facebook lead ads leads via email. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you have any doubts, then feel free to drop them in the comments below. And I would be really happy if you let us know what automation you would like to see the next. Alright, see you in the next video. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit this URL. Now, if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.